Hello everyone, welcome back in my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about geological work of rivers, नदी के भूवैज्ञानिक कार्य. The erosional work of stream or a river carves and shape the landscape through which they flow. नदी के अपरदनात्मक कार्य धरातल के आकृति आकार को एक अलग रूप प्रदान करते हैं जहाँ से वह बहती है. There are three main functions of rivers. नदी के तीन मुख्य कार्य हैं, जिसमें सबसे पहला है इरोजन यानी कि अपरदनात्मक कार्य, दूसरा है ट्रांसपोर्टेशन यानी कि परिवहनात्मक कार्य, और तीसरा है डिपोजिशन यानी कि निक्षेप कार्य. सबसे पहले हम देखते हैं इरोजनल वर्क्स, अपरदनात्मक कार्य. A river may erode in four ways. First one is the abrasion or corrosion. The flowing water use rock fragment such as pebbles, gravels, and sand as a tool for scratching and grinding the side and floor of the valley. This process slowly wears the bed and sideways. Second one is the attrition. It is the breaking of transported material themselves due to mutual collision. When thrown against the side and bed of rivers, the load gets broken into smaller pieces. Rock fragments become more rounded and smaller in the size. Third one is the hydraulic action. The work of turbulence in the water. Running water causes friction in the joint of rocks in a stream channel. Joint may be enlarged, loosened fragment of rock get swept away. And the chemical action, fourth one is the certain mineral in rock like limestone can be dissolved in water. Rock are then eroded. So the work of river here, a relationship of velocity and sediment size to the erosion is shown. So we can say here, as the increasing the grain size and the increasing velocity, so erosion of particle from flow bed. So in the size of very fine sand to coarse sand, erosion of particles from flow beds. Second one is transportation. It also happens in four ways. First one is the dissolved substance in solution. Second one is suspension. Third one is saltation, and fourth one is the traction. So first is traction. The larger and heavier rock or gravel are dragged and rolled along the river bed. Second one is the saltation. Saltation is smaller and lighter rock fragment and sand hope become and bounce along the river bed. At times, the distinction between traction and saltation may be difficult to determine. Third one is suspension. Some of the load, like silt and clay, fine grained, will float along. They may only be deposited when stream velocity reaches near zero. Turbulence in water is crucial in holding a load of sediments. Fourth one is the solution. Some minerals are transported in dissolved form, especially chemical solution derived from minerals like limestone or dolomite. Third one is deposition. A river will drop its load when volume decreases. In dry region with high evaporation, presence of permeable rocks, and receding flood waters. Speed decreases when it enters into a lake, it enters a calm sea, it enters a gently sloping plain. The work of a river depends on its energy. Energy a function of volume of water and speed of water flow. That is also depend upon the gradient. So all these are the main function of a river. First one is the erosion, second one is transportation and third one is the deposition. नदी के तीन मुख्य भूवैज्ञानिक कार्य हैं, इसमें सर्वप्रथम अपर्दन, दूसरा है परिवहन और तीसरा है निक्षेप। और तीनों ही कार्यों से अलग अलग प्रकार की स्थलाकृतियों का निर्माण होता है, वो हम अगले व्याख्यान में पढ़ेंगे। थैंक यू।